Hello, this video is about starting Forex. Have you wanted to start trading Forex? Has someone told you about it? Have you searched the internet and found some information how easy it is to make money trading Forex? Well, this video is for you then. I need you to do this to get ahead of everyone else. Okay, the very first thing, before you even start trading, I want to share with you some very important facts. The first one, 90% of Forex traders are losers. Yes, that's true. They include beginners and people who have been trading for years. Now, the next thing is don't trade with real money, and that's the problem with a lot of beginners. They open up a Forex trading account, trade with real money, and guess what? They end up losing it all. So, don't trade with real money unless you're absolutely ready. And finally, Forex is a casino. Well, that's the sentiment of a lot of people that don't know much about Forex. It can be a casino, especially for inexperienced traders, and I don't want you to treat Forex as a casino. So, if you want to get off to a good first start trading Forex and you want to do things properly, then this video is for you. I need you to keep watching this. But the question is, do you still want to trade Forex? Okay, now, here I am. My name is Martin. I'm a proud Canadian trader. Okay, you can see that down below. If you want to reach me for any reason, you've got any questions, I'll try to answer all or any question. And my email is mskyj007@gmail.com. Okay. I'm from the Toronto, Canada area. I've been trading for about 5-6 years. Very successful, teaching people live, which helps me to become a better teacher, mentor, and trader. And I want to share the important information with you. This video, how to start trading Forex the right way. Okay, let's start. And the first thing I want to mention is that you pretty well can guess or get whatever you want about learning how to trade Forex just by doing a Google search. All you have to do is enter in, the address bar. All you have to do is enter a Forex term or strategy or any type of word associated with Forex, and you're going to get bombarded with millions of websites. So that's the very first problem. Yes, a Google search, you can learn anything that you need about Forex. It can be your best friend. However, I've got a disclaimer. For you to really get as much as you can out of this video, you only need to search for the relevant information that I talk about in this video. Okay, so I'm going to share with you some very important advice and information for you to get started trading Forex the right way, and then you can go do the Google search for the few websites that are necessary to help you further. But don't search. Just don't download every video. Don't search every word, every term. Don't try to stick to the information in this video and you'll be okay. Don't overdo your search. Don't try to overlearn. I'm just going to get you on the right track by keeping it to the simple basic things that you need to know. Okay, so the next thing is, let's go right to number one. The very first thing that is important for you is to learn the lingo. Okay, so when you're trading Forex, there are a lot of words and terminology that are used. For instance, you can see some of them right here. Base currency, quote currency, exchange rate, long position, short position, bid, ask price, spread. There's a lot of other words like leverage, margin, going long, bulls, bears, going short, opening a trade, closing a trade. All this kind of terminology is so important for the beginner that you really have to find what they all mean, and two of the best sites that you can go to learn as much as you can about Forex trading is babypips.com, and the other one is Investopedia. Here are the links right here, but I'll also repost the links below this video. Now, besides the above two websites right here, there are lots and lots of other websites, especially the Forex brokers. A lot of the Forex brokers, and you'll need a Forex broker to trade Forex, they all have education sections that you can look up. So you can pretty well go to any Forex broker in the world, and right on top of the menu, just look for education, and use the special words you want to look up are, like I said, education or dictionary, glossary of Forex trading terms, and even the word terminology. So click on any of those links and those words, and you're going to get a quick and fast understanding as to what all the important words are. So that's number one. You want to learn the Forex lingo. Okay, now we get to number two, which is learn the game. You need to learn how the Forex game is played. It is a game because it's got a set of rules. You place trades, and you can either win or lose, and whenever there's a winner or loser, you know that's kind of a form of a game. But this is an important game because it could wipe you out financially. You are eventually going to be trading with real money. I don't suggest that at first. At first I suggest you open up a demo account, but later on with real money, it's so important to understand how the game is played, especially how you calculate the profits. Okay, so you need to know the game so that you can make money. You need to know about the different currency pairs, what they are, the major pairs, the cross pairs for trading, how the currency pairs actually move up and down, how the profits are calculated, the number of pips that they move, and the type of trading lots, lot sizes you can use to trade, and so on and so forth. So you want to learn the game, and again, one of the best websites is babypips.com. Okay, however, I do caution you with one thing. When you go to babypips.com, only learn about the stuff I'm talking to you about in this video. It is one of the best websites. However, it's in the form of a school, the education part anyways, and you can learn from you can enroll in kindergarten and go all the way to university, but it's a very long course, so only search for the items that are necessary as I talk about them in this video. Okay, next we go to number 3, and it is find the broker. Now, this is super important because there are more than 400 brokers in the world. Some are good. There are some really bad brokers. Some brokers are situated not in world-class countries and major trading countries for financial centers, but they're set up in offshore locations such as Cyprus and the Caribbean and so on and so forth. So beware of brokers that may not be as highly regulated as the big brokers. And again, I'm going to provide you with a link on brokers. I did a video on this a while ago, so I'll post a link below this YouTube video. Okay, so you do need to set up with a broker. You need to get an account and demo trade, but you cannot trade Forex in any other way. You need a broker's account. Okay, now next thing is the broker will give you a trading platform, like a set of charts called MT4. They're free and they're in live time, and this is where you're going to learn how to practice and do your demo trading. Okay, and finally, I do want to mention right here, guys, don't open up a real money account just yet. Just a demo account, but no real money account just yet. Okay, so let's go on to the next important topic, which is number 4. Trade demo only. Now, demo trading is so important for many reasons. Demo trading will teach you the charting platform, so you will have to know how to place trades, open trades, close trades, take profits, press the right buttons, how to measure the amount of pips that pairs are moving, and so on and so forth. Okay, so charting platform is important. So that's the first thing you want to learn with demo trading. Next, you want to learn about proper money management. So when you place a trade, you want to know how to protect your profits, especially when you enter a trade and price is going in your favor and you're starting to make money. Then you want to know how to protect it so that you don't lose your money when the trade goes against you. Okay, so money management is important, as well as knowing how much to trade. You want to never risk more than 1% of your total account balance, and that's all important when it comes to trading with demo. Finally, and this is really the important aspect of demo trading, you need to know how to make money demo trading before you can open up a real live money account. Now, what I mean by that is you should be demo trading for at least 2, 3, 4 months perhaps, and every month you should be making at least 10%. So if you're not increasing your account balance month by month, then you have no right to open up a real live money account, because that is the first rule to disaster. You need to trade effectively and successfully on a demo trading account first before you can transgress to a real live money account. Okay, simple enough. Now, number 5, find a simple strategy. This is not going to be that simple. I mean, the idea of finding strategy, but again, the website, the internet is filled with different strategies. You can just Google and type in simple Forex trading strategies and see what comes up with. So try to learn a couple of simple strategies, but more importantly, I need you to find a simple mechanical strategy. By mechanical, it means that the charts have some indicators and other things on the chart that will tell you when to take a trade, or when not to take a trade, and so on. So the importance is that something is telling you to do something so that you can keep your emotions in check. You don't want to guess, you don't want to predict what the markets are doing, but you want the charts to tell you something with the clues that are on the charts, okay? And this is so important. Trading is more psychological than anything else. So you don't have to be an expert, you don't have to have a great education, but understand that losses are made, mistakes are made, because trading is psychological. Trading is going to play with your mind, and you're going to end up making silly mistakes. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Let's go on. Now we are at number 6, guys, and use a trading journal. Now remember, all of these pieces of advice are in order, and follow that, and that's the best way to get started trading the right way. Okay, and you're going to end up, when you start trading Forex the right way, you're going to be ahead of most people, because again, remember, 90% of all traders are losing traders. So number 6, start treating your trading like a business. When you're making money, even if you're hoping to make some part-time money, whether it's $100 a month, $500 a month, $100 a week, or whatever, it is a business, and you've got to learn from your mistakes, because you will make a lot of mistakes, and you want to keep on improving to make money. And the best way to do that is to have what's called a trading journal. It can simply be a piece of paper beside your computer on your desk where you record a trade. Let's say you enter a trade, next you'll enter did you win, did you lose, what was the reason for your loss, what was the reason you even got into the trade in the first place. And you want to see, after a period of a week, and by the way, you can use one sheet of paper per week, to really record your results to see if there are any similarities, if there are any problems that you keep making over and over again. In other words, find out what are the reasons why you're losing money on trades, and find out what is winning for you, what is making your trades successful. Okay, so that's what I mean by using a trading journal as soon as possible, because this is going to help you more than anything to become a successful trader. Okay, so next thing we go to number 7. And 7 is open a live account. Okay, so you've traded for a few months on demo trading. You've understood the lingo, have tried to understand the words and terminology used. You understand how the game of Forex is made, and how profits are made when price goes up in a winning trade or price goes down in a winning trade. Because yes, in Forex, you can make money when you sell a trade. Okay, so you're selling you're opening up a sell trade, and then you're closing it. And Forex is a bi-directional way of making money, and that's why a lot of people are getting to the Forex markets. Okay, so with number 7, you want to open a live account, but this is super important, guys. I want you to pay attention. Fund your first real live money account with only a few $100s, a very small amount. And why is this so important? Well, don't be surprised that you will lose some, if not all, of your money in the beginning. You need to know how to protect your money and learn from your mistakes before you can learn how to make money. So the first, just fund your first live account with a few $100. Expect to lose it, but expect to learn from all your mistakes so that you'll never make them again. And then the next time you can fund your live account with even more money. Okay? Hopefully that makes a lot of sense for you. I know too many Forex traders lose a lot of money, more than they ever imagined. Don't ever open up your first account with thousands and thousands of dollars. And I mean this sincerely, because I've been trading for a while now, guys. I'm very successful, and I also teach live. I have live students that I teach on a monthly basis here in Toronto, Canada, and I have students from around the world as well. So this is really, really important advice. Only open up your first live money account with only a few $100, the few $100 that you can afford to lose until you get better at trading. Okay, so if you love the video, okay guys, this is me again saying bye and cheers. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below the video, the like button as well. Hopefully a little bell comes up, because you'll have to click on the bell to get the videos in your inbox. And finally, if you got any comments, I really, really would appreciate hearing any comments from you. And if some comments need a reply, I'll reply as well. So guys, subscribe, take care, happy trading, and we'll see you at next week's video. Bye for now.